Okay guys, the gearbox finished. I finished all the piping, everything, make new, renew, all things redone. Now it's time to put the gearbox back in, and I'm only one person, no lift, and this is how I do it. I already put it on there, balanced. It's just one move actually. If you do it the right way, I didn't film it, but well, I just place it sideways, the gearbox, in case you want to do it this way. Yeah, because it doesn't fit underneath on this thing. So you have to put the gearbox under there with a rolling board. I did that. Also sideways because it's just too big. And then, because the lift is only, I think 52 centimeters go up, but it's just about the, it should be okay. Maybe a few centimeters I need to push, but it's gonna be fine. And you just place the gearbox sideways, and then you grab it from all the side and then push the lift under it and then pull it on it. One person job, easy. And it's perfectly balanced now. Just put the balance point right under the screw, the oil screw. Okay, so I will put my gloves on and then we start doing these things. Okay, so the transmission is in, and I already put the exhaust in. I'm gonna show you. So we are going to finish up. So I put the heat shield in, the up pipe, everything clean up as good as I can, at least a little bit. So under there, everything, now don't have light. Everything finished. Well, later I show you with light. And I'm thinking to get a few extra items, and I put everything on there. Now it's like 9:30. I want to finish it as much as possible. Tomorrow morning, gonna make a test drive, maybe tomorrow noon. So maybe some difficulties I had. Of course, the thing, if you want to change the gearbox or repair the gearbox and you're one person, don't have a lift, put them as far up, these things, put them as far up as possible. Because the other handle lift I have only goes to 52, so I put them on 52 or 53. I could put them a little bit up, then I will have more space, even if it's just a few centimeters. Make yourself more space if it's possible. Even if you put this even higher. However, you could put that on stones, if I would think. Well, you could do a lot of things, but not everything is safe. So always safe first. Then I had issues with 2 bolts. I broke 2 bolts. One, when I put everything together, is just like one of the last 10 bolts. And I just broke it, so if you think it's gonna break, just don't go further. Screw it back, just feel it. Don't ruin the whole project because one fucking bolt. I have to drill it out, but I don't do it now. I make a little cheap repair, so I will fix that next time. Anyway, these things also, everything can be done. Just be patient. Some bolts, they need a little bit more treatment, WD-40 or something like this, and then you just sit, let it sink, let it sit overnight, and then you have it. So also a few more like racks you can use. Make a rack where you can place the gearbox in and put it on like a car jack. You can lift it up easily, it fits perfectly. The thing what I did here, I show you. And I take it out like this. Okay, so it's just a little wooden thing, and I can put wood blocks in there, and it's always straight. I can put it up and or pull it out. So okay, so maybe if you have questions, you can also put in the comment section. I'm gonna finish this now and put this in.